Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a flight in the Turkish Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And at the Fly with Turkish Airlines section, click on the Book a Flight button. So first you have to select if it's a one-way trip, a round trip, or a multi-city trip. Then you have to set the departure airport. And then you have to set the destination airport. And then you have to set the departure date and then the return date as well. And if you're done with that, just click on the done button. And you have to set the type of cabin, so business or economy. And you also have to set the passengers, so the number of adults, child, infant, and also student. For students there's a discount, so just click on the plus button next to the type of passengers. And you can also purchase an extra seat just in case, but that's optional. So if you want to do that, just click on this white box and then just click on the search flight button. And yeah, so there were no flights found on the selected date, so just try with another date. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.